How to hide likes on Instagram. So at the end of April 2021, Instagram did a test where they rolled out a certain feature for users where they had the ability to hide likes on other people's posts and hide your own likes. So right now it's getting rolled out slowly and there's no way to actually opt into this. You will just have to keep your app updated, and when the update comes for your phone, then you will get the update. So if you were on your homepage and then you got a pop-up saying you could hide the likes by going into your settings, I'll show you how to hide other people's likes and how to hide your own likes. So if I go onto my homepage, you can see I can still see the likes of this specific post right here. So if I wanted to go ahead and hide those likes, what I need to do is I need to tap on my profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. Then I need to tap on the 3 horizontal stripes at the top right. Then I will tap on settings. On an iPhone it's located in a slightly different area, but just tap on settings, and then you want to tap on privacy, and in the privacy page underneath interactions you want to tap on posts. And there you can see it says hide likes and view counts, where you have the ability to hide other people's likes and your own likes. So I'll turn that on and then I'll show you what that looks like. So I can go back out of here, go back to the home page, and now you can see if I refresh the page, it now only says liked by Andrew Jessen 6 and others. So the likes are hidden. But if I scroll down and go to one of my own posts, you can see that the likes are still there. So if you go ahead and create a new post by tapping the plus icon at the top, and then you go underneath the post section there at the bottom, and then I'll select this image and then I'll tap on the arrow at the top right. I won't add any filters. When you're creating your post on this page, then what you can see at the bottom, it says advanced settings. Tap on advanced settings. And there it says hide like and view counts on this post. Make sure that you toggle that on, and then you won't have any likes shown on that specific post. And then you can go ahead and turn on any other settings that you want. Once you've turned that on, go back and continue creating your post, and then you can tap the tick mark and then upload that to your Instagram profile. So that is how you hide likes on Instagram in 2021. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tutorials. Take care.